Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 3. He who amongst the mortals knows me as unborn and beginningless, as the great Lord of the worlds, is undeluded and is liberated from all sins.
Chapter 10, Shloka 3. Yo mam ajamanadincha veti lokamaheshwaram asammudas samartyeshu sarvapapair pramuchyate.
Chapter 10, Shloka 3. If the Devas and Rishis cannot know the self, maybe then nobody can come to know and realize the self, which is the origin of our physical, mental, and intellectual life. To dispel this fear, it is said, the self has to be known as A. Unborn, B. Beginningless, and C. The great Lord of the world. The world of matter is the realm of finitude, where everything has a beginning and an end, a birth and a death. The infinite cannot ever be born, nor anything can be born out of it. Like the post has never given birth to the ghost, nor the post has come to be born out of the ghost. The post was and shall ever be. The self is the eternal and therefore it is birthless. Everything else comes to be born in the self, exists in the self, and when all things are totally destroyed, they come back to end in the same self. I have three worlds of experiences: the physical, mental, and the intellectual. These experiences can never be mine unless I am constantly aware of them. Without the presence of the essential factor, pure awareness or consciousness, I am dead to the experiences of the world, which is ruled with its grace. The self in me is the self in all. The entire world is the sum total of the worlds of experiences of all individuals, and so the ruler which graces everything, everywhere, is the absolute self itself. He who knows the self as the birthless, beginningless, and as the great Lord of the worlds ends his delusion. The moment we understand and live in the realization that the self is unborn and beginningless, and that the self is not concerned with the changing and perishable matter, we have gained all that has to be gained and known and all that has to be known. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.